My daughter was a patient with UNM Children's Hospital from the time I was pregnant with her.
It was 2003 when Lindsay Chavez first became familiar with UNM Children's Hospital. Her daughter, Eliana Alderete, was diagnosed with pulmonary hypertension, or high blood pressure in the lungs.
The heart's trying to pump blood to the lungs. It gets backed up into the heart, and eventually the heart fails.
Eliana's mother said she was only given 1 year to live after she was born. Then 5 years, then
I just stopped putting a time limit on her because she kept just outliving every time limit that they gave her.
For 20 years, Eliana lived and told her story to anyone who would listen, all to educate people on her disease and raise money for the hospital where she spent half her life receiving care.
Her hospital stays were scary and the pokes were awful, and there was things like child life or the playroom that she had to look forward to, or they'd have volunteers come into her hospital room and they would paint with her or draw with her, and those things made those hospital stays a little easier.
Even after Eliana's passing in 2024, she's still helping those who helped her when she needed it most.
She was very adamant on supporting the hospital. I'm just so proud of her, and even now, from heaven, she's still being talked about and still being remembered, and still, like you said, she just has a legacy that lives on.
I try and look at the bright side and look at the things that I can do. I'm able to do this. I'm able to share my story in a lot of different and cool ways, and I'm able to raise awareness, and I'm thankful for that.